S24. So tingnan natin how clear yung Oppo, yung coverage. Now, this is a new phone. I'm sure hindi makahabol sa S24, but okay na kasi may memory is full. So you have yung Montenegro na ferry. It's in a docking maneuver. So yung this side is going, lalabas yung sasakyan, no? So dito yung pwesto niya, no? So you have yung mga ferries, I think mostly here going Batangas. So I'm just sitting here in a passenger area. Okay. Yan, continue tayo covering it. Okay, so we left kanina mga past 8 o'clock in Port of Batangas. Yeah, this is Calapan, no? Calapan, Mindoro. We'll be traveling going south, no? In Rojas, Mindoro, Bicol, Katiklan, naman in Panay Island. So if you have yung SUV, sakay ka, then you have to pay. Yung binayaran namin 3,700, no? Okay, let us see. Ito yung docking maneuver niya. Kala ko dito na side. Let's check. Ito na. Maganda din pala ang Oppo. Clear din siya, no? At least may memory. So this is yung sa loob ng ferry. Tingnan natin here. They just cover yung docking maneuver nila here. So this is yung docking maneuver here. Let's check area. Yun, this is yung docking maneuver niya. Patras. So dito yung pa-open na area. Pwesto lang tayo dito. So slowly on a slow docking maneuver. So we're docking in the port of Calapan in Oriental Mindoro. So we have to travel mamaya pa mga 3 hours going to Rojas. Not Rojas in Panay, but Rojas in Oriental Mindoro. We're on board Montenegro lines, kanina, leaving mga 8:30. Dito naman kabila, Starlight Ferry. Dahan-dahan, no? In docking maneuver. Let us see yung result ng Oppo na video. First time of using this spare phone. Ayan, dahan-dahan na siya. Let us see. Ready, going. Clear din naman, no? Clear day. We're in ramp 2. Tinapon na yung yung tali. Yung anchors are being released. The second anchor, okay, so babalik na tayo sa sasakyan because we don't need have to wait kasi baka maganta yung other mga owners, no? So final docking maneuver is here. Okay, andyan yung port of Calapan.